Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to generate AI images for free with Imagine Anything AI. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any preferred browser and then search for imageanything.ai. Here, all of the images generated by other people will be displayed. Now, in order to get going, click on the Sign Up button at top right corner, and then create a new account or log in using Google. After signing in, click on the Generate Images feature at the top, and a prompt bar will start appearing. Simply click on it and a bunch of options will become available beneath it. Here, access the Advanced tab, and you will be able to change things like the AI model. You just need to leave everything as it is and enter a prompt. Once done, click on Generate and wait for it to be completed. After it's done, you can try clicking on the pen icon and then resize the generated image to your liking. After you're done with it, click on the download icon at top right corner, and you'll be good to go. So that's basically how you can generate AI images for free with Imagine Anything AI. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.